In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compose and send an email in Outlook. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can follow along easily, even if you're completely new to Outlook. By the end, you'll know how to open the app, start a new message, add the main details, write your email, and save it once you're done. To begin, open Outlook on your device. Once Outlook launches, look for the Mail section and click on it. This is where you can view your inbox, sent messages, drafts, and create new emails. If Outlook opens directly in Mail, that's perfect. You're already in the right place. Next, click New Mail to start creating a fresh email. This will open a new message window or panel where you can enter all the important information. The first thing you'll usually need to fill in is the recipient's email address. Make sure you type it carefully so your message goes to the correct person. After that, move to the subject field and enter a short, clear subject line. The subject helps the person receiving your email understand what the message is about before they even open it. Try to keep it specific and easy to understand. Now, click into the main body of the email. This is the large area where you'll write your message. Go ahead and compose your email in a clear and polite way. If you're writing a professional email, it's a good idea to include a greeting, your main message, and a closing line. Keeping your writing organized makes your email easier to read and more effective. Take a moment to review what you've written before finishing. Check for spelling mistakes. Make sure your message sounds clear and confirm that the subject matches the content of the email. A quick review can help you avoid small errors and make your communication look more polished. Once you're done, click Save. This is useful if you're not ready to send the email right away or if you want to come back and edit it later. Saving your message stores it as a draft so you won't lose your work. And that's it. That's how to compose and send an email in Outlook, starting from opening the app, going into Mail, creating a new message, filling in the subject, writing the email, and saving it when finished. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.